I put the finger in it.
Put the finger, Rosie. This is the halibut, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what you put on top,
What are
man?
you doing there?
It's green onion, Parmesan, butter,
Lemon juice.
lemon
Juice.
mayonnaise, salt.
Is it all or any more?
That's it.
That's it? Okay, that seems a lot.
Did you get enough bowls for this one?
Halibut.
We should have enough. There's 11 bowls.
So how many degrees was that?
It's just on the broiler, so
Oh, it's broiler.
there's not necessarily a temperature. It lights the top burner.
Oh, so from the top.
Right. Yeah.
It's you said 10 minutes.
8 minutes without the sauce, and then 10 minutes or 2 more minutes.
8 minutes without a sauce, and then 2 minutes with the
That's good.
Parmesan and green onion.
I'll wash them.
Okay, this is the halibut. This is for the Mother's Day. Mom? Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, happy Mother's Day.
I'm not mom.
It's not mom.
Are you mom?
Rosie, happy Mother's Day. She's a mother of all dogs. Mother of Ella and